In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to buy and sell on XM. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your XM account. Then you have to choose your instrument or your currency pair. So for me, I will choose, for example, BTC USD. Okay. And if you want to buy or sell, you have to go here. As you can see, we have here buy and we have sell. We have here the quantity and lots. Quantity here, how many tokens, and we have lots. For me, I prefer lots. So I will change it, for example, to 0.1 lots. And now all you have to do is click on place order. Click on place order. And as you can see, this is our order here. Now, let's say you want to add a stop loss and take profit. So all you have to do is go with your mouse, hover over the price like this, and you will see here TP and SL. This is the take profit and this is stop loss. So click on TP and you can drag it, for example, to the top like this. This is our take profit, and stop loss, I will drag it down because I bought in this trade. So you can see the take profit must be above and the stop loss must be below. If I sell, your stop loss must be above and your take profit must be below. Now, if you want to close your position, click on close here, as you can see, and click on close. Now, let's say, for example, you want to make a limit order. So all you have to do is choose buy and sell again, then go to buy when price is. Turn it on like this, and you have to choose the price where you want to buy for this example. So let's say I want to buy here 107,300. So all you have to do is type it here like this, and you can add stop loss and take profit if you want. For example, the take profit will be on 107,500 and the stop loss will be on 107,100 like this, and click on place order at. Click on place order, and as you can see, this is our buy limit. If you want to change it, you can change the take profit, for example, from here, the stop loss from here, and also you can change the limit order if you want, like this. Click on confirm. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.